We've just checked into our resort at Beyond Kata, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room. Okay, so coming straight in, the bathroom. So you've got plenty of space in here. Towels, of course, amenities, shower, it's a big shower. And then over here you've got your wardrobe, safety deposit box. They provide beach towels, which is great, umbrellas and thongs for the beach. You've even got slippers, a small fridge, all the minibar items, not minibar, these items, tea, coffee, water, are all complimentary. You've got a coffee machine, drawers, and plenty of space for your things, big TV, desk area, nice big bed, and somewhere to sit down, and then out to the deck. It's our last day at Beyond Kata Resort and we've had a good stay with the exception of the weather. The weather has not been amazing, but we've made the best of it and the resort itself has been great. Plenty of amenities, great staff. It's definitely somewhere we would recommend, and the all-inclusive package has been perfect. We hardly spent a thing. All our meals were mostly here with the exception of a few, but yeah, perfect. Loved it. Highly recommend it.